Welcome! In this video I want to show you a couple camera tips for your Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro. So first I'm gonna show you how quickly you can change the brightness level on the photo and the video mode, and also change the color and the temperature. So normally you have to tap on the screen and move the sun icon to decrease or increase brightness level. To make it automatically, tap on the screen. It works also in the video mode in the same way. To change the temperature and the colors, you have to tap right here, and as you can see, right now we got few different filters. So if you want to take photo with this one, for example, just tap on the shutter and take a look. That's how it looks right now. To turn off these modes, you have to go for the original, for this one, the first of the list. Right now I'm going to show you how you can take photos on this smartphone. It's very obvious, right? But we get a few different methods. The first one, just tap on the shutter. The another one, you can use volume buttons, volume up and down. So when you press on the volume up, you get 2 seconds delay. The same for the volume down. You are also able to remove this delay by going for the settings and changing the volume button function to the normal shutter. Take a look right now. Another option, we have to go for the settings one more time and enable this option, tap to take photo. You hold your phone like that, tap on the screen, and you can also take photos. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how we can use the zoom feature. We can tap on the 0 or we can switch to the ultra wide lens. We can use 1x, 2x. Also, we can pinch the screen with the fingers to go like that. And right now we got other presets like 4x, 6x, 8x, and 10x. We can also use slider to make it look smooth. But also you can change this volume button function another time to zoom feature. And right now we can just press the volume up and volume down to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so that's how you can make it with the zoom feature. And if you want to get a little bit more details on the photo, you can use the 108 megapixel mode. Tap on the shutter. As you can see, the photo was taken. Let's take the same with normal photo mode and we can make the comparison. So we can focus, for example, on this phone keyboard. It looks like that. And let's take a look how it looks in the 108 megapixel mode. Yeah, so you can spot more details a little bit. You can also zoom in much closer. So that's this mode. I think one of the most useful in this phone. This the main sensor, the 108 megapixel mode. Okay, so that's all my tips for the smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.